how to check Instagram version on your Android phone. If you want to know the version of your Instagram app that you are using, then this video is for you. If this video helped you, please consider to subscribe and give this video a like. On your Android phone, navigate to the bottom where you see the settings gear. In my case, it's located here, and tap on it. Then with this selected, proceed to scroll down until you locate apps. In this case, I'm going to tap on apps. This will pull out all the apps that I'm having on this Android phone. Make sure to locate Instagram. In this case, I'm going to scroll down a bit until I locate Instagram. As you correctly see, this is the Instagram app. Then proceed to tap on it. Allow it a bit of moment to finish loading. It will pull out all the information that you have on Instagram. In this case, we want to locate the version of this Instagram app. Then proceed to scroll down a bit until you locate version. So my Instagram version is 319.0.0.43.110. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.